morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The dollar slid against major currencies such as the euro and yen following a rally last week after stronger than expected US economic data and ahead of a key non-farm payrolls report that could offer further clues on the Federal Reserve's policy path. Gold prices surged past $3,800 an ounce for the first time, setting a new record as investors flocked to the safe haven asset on US rate cut expectations, fears of a potential government shutdown, and escalating geopolitical tensions. The Nasdaq Composite and S&P 500 closed modestly higher as investors bought heavyweight technology stocks and shrugged off the uncertainty of a potential US government shutdown and hawkish remarks from a Federal Reserve official.
The dollar-yen pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. Gold prices skyrocketed in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. Crude oil prices plummeted in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.